oh my god, another?
At 7:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Keensburg, or near Huguenot, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Let's go!
Source, radar indicated.
Ow, an SMW! Possible water spout!
And power lines is possible.
Give me a double header. Oh.
Locations impacted include Long
Give me a
Branch,
double header.
Sandy Hook, Middletown,
Sandy Hook.
Hinton Falls, Holmdel, Red Bank, Methuen, Highlands, Novetsink, Lincroft, Eatontown, West Long Branch, Cape Ward, Rumson, Little Silver, Oceanport, Shrewsbury, Strathmore, and North Middletown. This includes
Give me a double header.
between mile markers 110 and 120.
Yeah.
For your protection, move to
They
an
should just
interior
push
room
three
on the
on it.
lowest floor of a building.
Possible water spout. Let's go! Freaking! Let's freaking go! Oh my god!
You are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Special listing. Let's go! Water spout. Possible water spout. Let's go, possible water spout.
At 7:09 p.m.,
Yes, sir.
a severe thunderstorm capable of producing water spouts was located over Keensburg, moving east at 25 knots.
Let's freaking
Hazard,
go.
water spouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and
Small hail.
Source, radar.
Let's go.
Water spouts can easily
Water
overturn
spout
boats and
possible.
create locally hazardous
Woohoo.
seas. Small craft
Let's
could be
go.
dense and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Yes, sir.
Locations impacted include Leon,
Oh, SVR, it's gonna be a triple header.
Right, Sandy Hook,
It's gonna be a triple header.
Atlantic
Oh,
Highlands,
shoot.
and Fairhaven.
It's gonna be a triple header.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
It's gonna be a triple header. Oh my god. Dude, what the heck? Oh my god. God damn!
Southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania.
Let's go, triple
Northwestern
header!
Bucks County in southeastern
Yes, sir.
Pennsylvania. South central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania. Until
Let's
8 p.m.
freaking go!
At 7:11 p.m., a severe
7-11?
thunderstorm located over Emmaus or near Allentown, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Radar hazard 60
Let's
miles per
go!
hour.
Triple header! Yes, sir.
Radar indicated.
Let's freaking
Damage
go!
to vehicles is possible.
Oh my god!
Roofs, siding, trees,
Yes,
and power
sir.
lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Bethlehem, Emmaus.
Let's go! Triple header!
Bedminster, Towertown, Tinicum, Alpha,
Wow.
Funktown, Milford, Bloomsbury.
Let's go!
Pleasant Valley, Revere, Zionsville, Lehigh University, Coppsville, and Pipersville.
Yes, sir.
Includes the following highways: Northeast
Let's
extension
freaking go!
markers 46 and 53. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between
Let's
mile
go!
markers 56
Oh my
and
god.
72. Interstate 70 in New Jersey near mile marker 2.
Let's go, triple
between
header.
Mile markers 7 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room
Yes,
on the
sir.
lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damage
Yeah,
winds,
baby.
frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.
Oh my god!
Near thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
What the hell? Considerable already? Oh my god!
The coastal, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. for northeastern Monmouth County. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sandy Hook, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Significant winds, potentially in excess of 70 miles per hour, are expected at Sandy Hook.
Yep.
Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter.
Let's go, another considerable.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles.
Oh my god, what the hell? That's crazy right now.
Locations impacted include Long Branch, Sandy Hook, Middletown.
Sir, I'm gonna leave that one there.
Red Bank.